than any man should hold. Still I kept walking, my eyes on the sun. My tears were seeds for what's to come. I know what it feels like to fall to your knees, to lose what you love, to beg and to plead. But deep in the dark there's a fire that burns. You rise for the souls who gave you strength to stay. Rise up, we'll let your colors fly. Carry your pain, oh yeah, up high. This is our time, this is our day. We ride, we ride, we ride. We ride, we ride, we ride. Somos el ritmo que nunca murió, la voz de mi gente que al fin regresó. Somos el pulso que nadie apagó y el grito del pueblo más fuerte sonó. Cada herida vida hoy brilla también. Cada mano unida nos levanta otra vez. De la sombra a la luz todos lo pueden ver. Que el mundo entero nunca dejó de creer. It's time for the world. It's time for the world. For every nation, every child, every soul. Look, pain in my bloodstream, ready when I'm from veins. Mind under the airport, still got my lungs breathing. Cold nights, no lights, broke dreams and rough sleeping. Still fighting, staying tall, hearts but stop beating. Came from the bottom with a sorrow of trappers. Turn every loss and every scar to a canvas. Voices united, ain't nobody can cancel us. Rise from the ashes, the fire is inside of us. Feet on the ground, but we aiming above fear. People divided for years, now the love here. Hands to the sky, let the whole world sing loud. One rhythm, one pulse, one voice in the crowd. Sommes la lumière qui ne s'éteint jamais. Traversons la nuit pour continuer à chanter. Nous sommes la flamme.